Today I'm going to have a look at this. It's a motorhome by luxury manufacturer Phoenix, and for something like this, well, I don't know exactly, but I think we're going to be looking at around €150,000. I think, I don't know, just guessing. And thing is, these things are built largely to order, depends what you want, and so unable to say what somebody might order, what the specification is, so therefore I can't really give you a price. Now let's have a look inside and I'll wrap it on some more. First of all, notice the depth of the double floor as you come in. This wonderful rear lounge at the back. Now some of them are gas free, but this one isn't. Thetford unit here, which is recessed. It comes with an oven as well. Lots of workspace there. In the cab over, we've got lengthwise beds, window, steps. Shower tray and shower, and it's got a bar at the top. I don't know why I didn't just move the door, it would have been easier. You can close the door there, and lots of space here in this living room. Absolutely brilliant. No, really very nice. And oops, you can hear the magnet there closing the door. This really does appeal to me. I really do like the rear lounge, and for two people I think this is a fantastic layout. Obviously the problem with something this large is often to find somewhere to park it, and I do have to make that clear as well. So excellent, good. Let's have a look. There's the storage. And here, fridge. Oh, and here it's got a very complex looking. Look at all them. So if you need to change a fuse, this is the place to do it at. Also, you can see up there, you've got your panel up there, your heating, and excellent, very good. Yeah, I'll make another effort closing that. See if I can do it. Manage. There you go. Place to hang your coat up as well as you come in. So, I mean, it's very expensive, but I've given you a quick look at what it can be. We've got the garage there. I mean, it's not a particularly long vehicle. So it's called Maxi Alcoven 7800 RSL, and it says now gas free. This one though clearly wasn't gas free, but it can be gas free as well. So I think that is the point. Okay, so there's lots of vehicles here, as you can see, from on this stand from Phoenix. Indeed, the stand seems to be just as big as the production facility is. If you go to Ashback, you've got Concords there. Then you've got this really nice Stellplatz, which belongs to Concord, and then you've got Phoenix as well. So that. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. And I upload every day at 21:15. So if you're interested in motorhomes, this is the place to actually see them. Yeah, notice that they put the supports there, the leveling supports down. I also put the leveling supports on that one as well. So a little action there. So thanks for being there here, and all the best from me. Bye for now.